Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody giving no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going.
Welcome people, it's your girl Krissy and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video I will be doing a review and demo of the African Pride hair line in its entirety, or not really entirety, but I do have the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask, the leave-in, as well as the styling gel. I've heard a lot about the styling gel, so today we're going to be doing a wash and go using the African Pride aloe and coconut water hydrate and whole curl defining gel. This is what she looks like. Super excited about that. It is wash day. The hair is looking a hot mess. I did have a braid out and the curls are still popping. I definitely could have, you know, worn it another week, but it is wash day. I wanted to try these products out for you guys because I've had them for a while, so that is what we are doing today. Before getting into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become a part of the K-Stylers, because you don't know over here we be styling and wilding, as well as click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright guys, so the hair is wet. I've actually never done my wash and go out here in front of the camera like this, so we gonna see what we working with today. I'm gonna go in with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. This is what she looks like. So we are it is very soft and creamy in my hands, I will say. It definitely suds up. It smells amazing. You know, I always see like some YouTubers do this and I was like, that's kind of weird. And look at me now, washing my hair. Like this is setting up, and I'm just making sure I am thoroughly, you know, cleaning my scalp. I don't feel drying at all on my hair. And even with like shampoos, I kind of like to like make sure my hair isn't knotting up. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, like my curls are still popping. There's not much, you know, knotting going on. So the hair is freshly washed. This is what she is looking like. I think I'm gonna go in with the honey, chocolate, and coconut oil conditioner, and also their Moroccan clay and shea butter detox and soften heat activated mask. I'm just gonna make this whole process be into one whole thing, and we're just gonna put on our shower cap after and just go under the hooded dryer to kind of get that, you know, heat, since it's heat activated. But this is what the conditioner looks like. Very much chocolatey. So she smells good. I'm just gonna rub her in, and I'm just gonna put the mask on top of this, honestly, because we're gonna see. Like, let's I don't know, I'm experimenting. I shouldn't, but I'm going to. This is what she looks like. And I'm kind of being a little bit heavy with this product because my hair is thick, so I don't mind being heavy-handed with products. Just so you know. Between my fingers and my paddle brush, I'm just going to brush out my hair, make sure there's no tangling. I will say I am not a big fan of the mask. I don't know, like my hair doesn't feel as, I guess, as soft and as curly as I would like it to be. So I will probably say the mask is a no for me. It smells really good. I mean, all the products do smell really well, but I don't know, I think I kind of expected more. I actually use their conditioner separate before, and I do like it, but the mask, it's a no-go for me. So it is time to style this hair, and this is the moment we've all been waiting for. I love wash and goes, so if this gel can replace my wet line or my style factor, then you know it is up there. I paid $6.99 for this gel. It is 18 ounce. You get a good amount. I will say it's on the more, you know, cheaper, affordable side rather than the style factor, which you guys know that I love, and those do actually leave a cast on my hair. I am heavy-handed with that product, but it keeps my curls tight and right, and it does last quite a while. So if this product can, you know, do the same as my wet line and my style factor, then definitely this is one to watch out for. So let me show you guys what she looks like. This is what she looks like compared to my head. It's a nice, good little mount jar. She smells really good. She smells very perfume like. She's very jiggly as well, not as thick as you can see. She's running. She's clear, and I don't know, I'm super excited, so I'm not even gonna do too much talking. We're just gonna jump into this video. For my leave-in, I am using the Miracle Moisture Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, and they do say shake before shake to mix, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna pump some in my hand just to see. She's very runny. Okay. Ooh, she smells good. She's very runny, but she also smells really good. I'm just gonna do like an overall spray in my hair, and then once that is finished, I'm just going to spray some individually before I apply my gel. So I'm not doing any specific style today, so we're just gonna jump right in and just start, you know, using these products. So I'm just spraying some more on this little section of here, and I'm just rubbing it in. I don't really think it's doing much for my hair. I don't know. I'm not really feeling this. Alright, so this is the section of hair that I will be working with. It has no product in it, well, other than the leave-in, as you guys know. So we are going to apply the gel. I am applying this much, and I'm going to do the raking method and probably some shingling to, you know, make sure my curls are defined. If they're clumping together too much, I'm just gonna separate them and, you know, make sure they have their own little curl. So this is what this is looking like, and the back part of my hair and the sides are like the coiliest, the curliest. So if a product does not curl them, then it's not, we already know how it's going to work for the rest of my hair. But let's, okay, so the back right here off the bat, we are getting some nice little curlies right there. Right here, I don't know what's going on right here, so I'm gonna put a little bit more because It should be curly.
So off the rip, I did not like their leave-in conditioner. It kind of was a little bit like foamy. It had that foamy vibe to it, but I don't think it paired well with the gel. So I would definitely have to say that I will try this gel again, but without the leave-in conditioner. But pretty much that is what my hair looks like with the leave-in conditioner and the gel. If you guys can see, it has that like foamy vibe going on to it, which I don't like because it's not going to dry down like foam. But here I'm just going in and I'm just kind of doing a little bit of shingling and just coiling my hair around my fingers, you know, just to get maximum definition. And here I go again. I sprayed a little bit of water. I didn't want to spray my head with too much water because I didn't want my drying time to be super long, because I did have work in the next morning and it was just late. At the front part of my hair does curl up a little bit more looser and easier. Well, not easier, but it's looser, so sometimes I really just crunch them together. And the curls do tend to be a little bit more like bigger, so that's pretty much what I did. I will say I do like the gel, but it did leave a little bit of hard cast on my hair, and I don't know if it was just because of what I paired it with, but I'll definitely be trying this gel again with like my normal regular styling creams and other leave-in conditioners, because I think it would come out super great. But look at those curl definition, look at that bounce. It did dry down with a cast, a little bit of hard, and I did get a lot of flakes, but I just feel like I should have just used a different product with that. This is the final results. Like 4 or 5 days later, I was trying to come back to you guys, but it ended up raining and some of my curls was just not having it. But I will say I do like this gel and some of the products from this line, but overall it was a very moisturizing line and it had great slip. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay positive and life surprise you, because it will anyways. Bye.